Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to request a refund on Steam. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. First, you will need just to head to the Steam help. So either you can go to the app and search for the help from, or just go to the website from the Steam. For example, just check for the website, or you can basically go to your web browser and basically there you can search for the help. So here I already came to the help, so you can just be able to go from Steam here. You can just go to the support, and from here you will need to sign into your account. So now I need just to sign into my account, and from here I will be able to state all our purchases. So as you can see, this is a Steam article. You will need just to come here to the Steam help, and from here we will find these purchases from here. But before that, you will need to sign into your account, and then you will find all the purchase that you have done on Steam, and you will need just to click on each purchase. So basically, if you have both any game, you will need just to click on it, and basically you will find another choice of I'd like to request a refund. You request the refund, and then you will be refunded after you fill in the refund form of Steam. So basically, let's do that here. We will need just to sign into our account. So as you can see, we will find purchases, and basically I have no purchase, but you will need just to click on all the purchase that you have on your Steam. You request the refund, and that's it. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.